In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Facebook app on your laptop or PC, so let's jump into it. So to do this, it is actually very easy, and if you're following along, you'll be able to get it done in about a minute here. So go to your search bar down on Windows and just type in Microsoft Store, and once you're typing it in, it will appear here at the top. You can see Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've opened that up, go to the search bar and type in Facebook. Once you've typed that in, click enter, and you'll then see Facebook here. It will be the official app, and you'll see it, you'll notice it from the logo. You can then click on Facebook and click on Get. Once you've done that, it's going to get ready to download Facebook, and it will soon download to your PC or laptop. Once it's downloaded, you'll get a notification in the bottom right, and this button will also change to open. You can then go ahead and click on open, and it will open the Facebook app. You'll be able to then allow any of these, and you'll also be able to log in to your account. In future, if you want to get back to the app, just go to the search bar and type in Facebook. Here you'll see the Facebook app, which you'll be able to open. Again, you'll also be able to pin it to the desktop as well. That's how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.